Good morning students. This is part 1, Prose, Unit 3, Prose in celebration of being alive. It was written by Christian Bernard, class 12th standard. Now what is meant by in celebration of being alive? In celebration of being alive means if we are facing so many problems in our life, we don't bother about those things. We live happily because it comes and it goes. Money, it comes and it goes. No problem. Life is still alive with yours. So be happy whatever you meet in your life, like problems, happy moments, everything you will be meet, but you will be happy. You will celebrate your life. Whatever you are getting, the God gives a life to you. You enjoy every day. You celebrate it through this title by Christian Bernard. About the author, Christian Neethling Bernard is the original name. He was born in South Africa. He was a doctor. Doctor is a specialist of heart. He was a famous for cardiac surgery in his country, and the people who comes with heart problem, he gives a very prevalent treatment by him. His books are One Life, The Best Medicine and The Faith. These are the books by Christian Bernard. Now see this prose sort out, because I am sort out the prose. We want to know the central theme of the prose. We want to know the central theme of the prose. Here, this prose, he mentioned he is a speaker. He wants to tell his experiences of his life to share with the audience. In front of the audience, Christian Bernard telling his experience about his life. Okay. Dr. Christian Bernard and his wife living in South Africa. That time, one night they went to eat a dinner in the hotel. Particularly this time, before going hotel, they met one accident. The car crushed them. First hit the Bernard. After Bernard thrown to hit his wife, they are getting very badly wounded. At the accident. So they went to hospital. They hospitalized. They are getting the ICU, the inter-secure unit, ICU, inter-CASU unit, okay, ICU, intensive care unit. They are getting the treatment. They met the two boys in the hospitals. He saw the two boys there. He and his wife were getting the treatment. At the same time, he saw two boys in the hospital. He saw the two boys there in the hospital, and also foot trolley was standing in the hospital. He saw two things. One is two boys and the foot trolley. Foot trolley nothing but it is called the trolley is having a food items, cups, saucer, plates are in the trolley. The trolley was standing unattendedly. When the trolley was driven by nurse, but unfortunately the nurse came out somewhere else. That's why the trolley stood unattendedly. He saw two things. One is two boys and another one is unattendedly trolley. Next, they used the food trolley. The two boys are using the food trolley. The two boys using the food trolley. One is mechanic, another one is driver. Now see this. Like a Grand Prix car race, they used the food trolley like a Grand Prix car race. They are driving the food trolley very fastly. It is better than the Indianapolis 500 race. That trolley is better than the Indianapolis 500 race. It beat that because they are driving very fastly. That's why the author compared those two things, Grand Prix car race and the Indianapolis 500 race. Which is the better than? The food trolley is driven by two boys. It is better than the Indianapolis and the Grand Prix. It was said by author. Next, who are the two boys? The information about two boys. One is mechanic, another one is driver. Now see this mechanic. Mechanic is already he went to Bernard Hospital and he got a treatment from him because he has heart cold. Who has heart cold? The mechanic. Mechanic has a heart cold. That time he met a Christian and he got a treatment from him. Then he cured himself after he went to his home. This is from Christian to that boy. The second boy, who is driver. Driver is a boy who is lost his eyes. How he lost his eyes? Once he and his mother and his father were drinking together. That particular time, his mother drank a lot the wine. So he unconscious. She was in a unconscious. She threw a lantern. Lantern means விளக்குன்னு சொல்லுவாங்கல்ல அந்த விளக்கு. She threw a lantern at his father. But they are fighting each other. That particular time, she threw a lantern at his father. Unfortunately, the lantern missed out his father and affect the boy. So the boy has severely affected. The lantern affected his skin. The skin was burned. Then he lost his eyes through that accident. The one boy is mechanic, the another boy is driver. They are using the food trolley like a Grand Prix race in the hospital. The entire hospital was very happy because of they are having some sufferings. The boys are having some sufferings, but they are living very happily because we are having sufferings, but if we make others happy, that is the theme of the lesson. Through this Christian, he understood what he wants to give. He knows very well because of these boys' actions. The boys are giving a wonderful message to the author through this trolley driving. Thank you, students.